still got them?
No. Oh, yeah, maybe.
You funny bunny. That outfit kills me.
I know.
Alright, I'm gonna stop this.